Today I'm going to show you how to make an avocado cilantro lime cream sauce with jalapenos. So let's get started. You're going to need 1 avocado to 1.5 for this recipe. So I've got that 1 avocado in there. I actually cut up already 1 jalapeno here. You can use a jalapeno or a Serrano, but I'm going to put the jalapeno in there. You're going to put it just in the cup, and you'll see like that. And then you're going to put a little bunch of cilantro, probably like an 1/8 cup. And then you're going to put some salt. You're going to put some pepper. You're going to put some garlic salt, Lowry's. And I have this right here, and I'm going to have to show you what I'm going to do because I have this chicken bouillon, and I'm actually going to smash it in my little dough here, and I'm going to use about half of that cube. So there it is. We're going to use about half of it into the cup, and then we're going to use some lime juice, just a dash of lime juice. And I'm using this one right here, organic lime juice, or you could just freshly squeeze your own lime juice. Last thing is going to be, actually second to last, we're going to use some crema in here, about a 1/4 cup, and then we're going to use some water. So I'm going to put the water in right now, and then I'm going to put this, and I'll be right back. I need a measuring cup. Here's the 1/4 cup of the Mexican Crema. If you don't have Mexican Crema, you can use sour cream. We're going to blend this up, and you're going to see how beautiful it looks. Time to blend. It's all done. Look how beautiful that looks. Now you can add more water if you want it a little more runny, or if you want it thick like this. So I'm going to leave it like this for the tacos that I'm going to do. So I'm going to pour it into here, and you're going to see how beautiful and smooth this avocado sauce is. Oh, I'm going to have to get a few licks. Now it may need a little more salt, which I am going to add now. A little more salt, and I'm going to stir it up, and then we'll be back to put some tacos together. So here it is. It's all done, this beautiful avocado cream sauce. Now you're going to have to stay tuned to Maria's Kitchen, because I'm going to show you how to make and use it in this zucchini taco right now. And I hope you enjoy this show. I'll be back with the scripture of the day. Proverbs 2, it says, "My child, listen to what I say and treasure my commands. Tune your ears to wisdom and concentrate on understanding. Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Search for them as you would for silver. Seek them like hidden treasures. Then you will understand what it means to fear the Lord, and you will gain knowledge of God. For the Lord grants wisdom. From his mouth comes knowledge and understanding. He grants a treasure of common sense to the honest. He is a shield to those who walk with integrity. He guards the path of the just and protects those who are faithful to him. Then you will understand what is right, just, and fair, and you will find the right way to go. Then you will understand what is just, right, and fair, and you will find the right way to go. For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy. Wise choices will watch over you. Understanding will keep you safe. Wisdom will save you from evil people.